India Infoline with a stop loss of 86, target of 91. Kolte Patil Developers with a stop loss of 125 and a target of 133. Lakshmi Vilas Bank, stop loss of 118, target of 125. All these three stocks are extreme momentum stocks which in the last month or so have outperformed practically everything else. And with today's gap up opening and expected large moves, they would be great beneficiaries. The two short-term buys are Petronet LNG with a stop loss of 165, target of 174. This has moved up to a multi-day high today, fresh move. It had dipped yesterday. So this is the first of the buys. Then IndusInd Bank, which is always making upward moves every now and then. This is one of those times. Stop loss of 436, target of 460. One short sale, purely intraday, Voltas, which is refusing to participate in any rally. Stop loss of 108, target of 104 intraday. I've got all three longs, and the Nifty and a lot of stocks in the market are indeed falling, but you do have individual movers which are making good gains on the upside, so going all long today. Reliance Infrastructure is the first one, stop loss of 559, target of 590. The stock is up to a 4-month high today, and it started a fresh move after a bit of a dip yesterday. Lakshmi Vilas Bank, that's the second one, stop loss of 119.5, target of 126. It's one of the strongest banks and started a fresh move after a bit of a correction. I'd given this before the market open as well, but this is with a slightly higher target and revised stop loss. Petronet LNG is the third buy, stop loss of 165, target of 174. It's the stock had broken out past 165 about 3-4 days back and then pulled back. Now it's resuming a move, so an excellent point to get in. And at the moment it's at a 8-week high.